it's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. This adorable look is inspired by Jack Skellington's dog Zero from the movie Nightmare Before Christmas. It is one of my favorite movies of all time, and his dog is literally like the most adorable thing in the world. So I figured it would be like really cute to do something inspired by that. It could be used as like a last minute Halloween costume, or just because like it's literally adorable. So, and the fact that like I have braids and they're like dog ears. This look is definitely in my top 3 favorites for Halloween 2018, regardless of how simple it is. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe so you can check out my other videos when I upload. And other than that, let's just hop right on into the video. Okay, so I've already primed using my Benefit Professional Pearl Primer, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige for today. Next for concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C3. Next, I'm going to be setting my face with my Cody Loose Airspun powder. Next, we're going to be taking the ColourPop Single Shadow in the shade Bratty and a Bdellium Tool 776 brush, and I'm going to be taking this shade and packing it right in the crease. Now I'm just going to be blending those out. Next, I'm going into the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be taking the black shade right here called Noir. I'm going to be taking this on a Morphe E17 brush and applying that to the lid, but just a little bit at a time, and then blending it into the orange. Next, I'm going to be taking that same ColourPop Single Shadow in the shade Bratty, and that's going to go in our lower lash line. And then I'm going to be taking the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm going to be putting that in the inner corner. Next for lashes, I'm going to be applying Lily Lashes in Miami. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to be bronzing with my Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Now I'm going to take my Becca blush in the shade Snapdragon and apply that to the apples of my cheeks, blending it back towards my hairline. For highlight today, I'm going to be wearing the Jouer Citrine highlight. Now I'm going to spray my face with MAC Fix Plus to melt everything together. Now I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Single Shadow in the shade Bratty once more with the Morphe M149 brush, and I'm going to be applying that in a circle on the tip of my nose. Now I'm going to be taking my Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Dance Party, which I've already activated with my Evian spray water. And I'm going to be using this to draw a little jack-o'-lantern face inside the orange dot on my nose, which is going to be a pumpkin. And I'm going to use one of these 3 brushes, varying in sizes. Finally, for lips, I'm going to be wearing the Milani Amore Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Wicked. But first, I'm going to quick line my lips with the Stila lip liner in the shade Cabernet. Just because I don't have a black lip liner, but I'm just going to use this because it's super dark, so then it'll at least provide some sort of like a lip liner type effect. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. This came out so cute in my opinion. I have a newfound love for black lipstick. I don't know, I now have an obsession. I love how it looks on me. So I guess it's perfect timing because it's fall, right? But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.